Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is hair day. So I am gonna be reviewing the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. This is the in-shower styler, okay? I also do have another video talking about the Pureology Hydrate Styler, let's call it. And this one you use after shower, okay? But both products you need to wash your hair and condition it and then you apply. But this one it needs to be rinsed and this one doesn't. Okay. I will be linking my video about the Pureology one here on the ID cards and also on the description down below. Let's get back to the Living Proof one. Okay, so this one I'm gonna show you now how I use in the shower, and when I come back we're gonna talk more. So I let my hair to dry, roll it on my towel for, I don't know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, something like that. And then after, I just like grab my hair and I twist like this, okay? And I grab a clip, I don't know how to call this, but I grab this clip and I stay like this for 30 minutes, 40 minutes or something like that, or as long as I want. I do have, I call those like some beach waves, you know, and I like to do it like just before bedtime. So in the morning my hair is really like this. So this is like 1 day old hair, you know. I applied it like last night and I slept on it, so it gets like that messy hair feeling, you know. And I love this product. I read some reviews telling that, oh, it left some white residue on my hair. On my hair, it didn't leave any white residue. I think that this person didn't rinse her hair well enough. Also, it didn't dry my hair. My hair is very hydrated. It holds the style, so you can see that I still do have, you know, some styling, you know what I mean, messy hair, kind of like 1 day after, and well, I just like this product because like it's very easy and convenient. Okay, so but anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell. Okay, see you next time. Bye.